My God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen, I'm from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Hey guys, today's date is the 4th of April 2025. And today is not about boasting how much I got in my account, but to show you what reinvestment can provide for you as you continue with any investment process. You need what is called a compound interest. I have built this account up to this recent amount, of course, just by reinvesting. I'm not worried about taking out or withdrawing any of my daily profits, but the daily profits that I'm earning, as I will show you here, is I'm using the normal contracts. That's the very first contract, earning 11%. Now, you can invest up from $10 to $499 every single day to earn 11%. The contract only lasts for 10 days. And I'll show you where it is. The standard contract, you start with $10. But according, as I said, to my platform tells me I can invest $10 to $499 every single day if I have that sort of amount coming in. Or you can invest $499 from your own resources. But firstly, you need a bank account. You need also Binance. Now, firstly, also, do subscribe to my YouTube video, like my YouTube video, and most of the link to these services and processes should be below down in my description area below this video. So subscribe to my YouTube, like my YouTube video, and these websites should be down below my video with the link for you to join them. Now, investing with cryptocurrency at this point of time can be a bit risky. Now, I can't guarantee you anything. All I can say is these are processes, all to do with what you can accumulate today for the future and hope for the best. And of course, certainly pray about it. Very, very important. Now, I'm just going to transfer some of today's earnings. Let's see how much I've earned this morning after last night. 2,256 of these. I don't want to withdraw any of these. I have withdrawn in the past this much, and I started this account around about November 2022. This time it's all about just accumulating. And as you reinvest everything, and that's where I'm going to show you at this point of time, but that's why I'm making this video to show you the investment process. Now, depending on how much you got in your balance, and I do encourage, try not to invest in these higher contracts. Okay, try not to invest in these higher contracts. It is risky, and I've heard a lot of people having their account underpending for many reasons. Most of the reasons because of IP address conflict. That means that you may have signed up to, say, LTC, but every time you are logging in from different IP address, for example. Now, because of security protocol, these systems are very, very sensitive to those issues. So if you're logging in from different types of IP address or different devices, for example, then the original one that you signed up with, they're going to detect that at their side, and they're going to think it's a hacker trying to hack into your account. They don't know it's you. The only way to overcome that sort of situation is to go to support and email support of, say, where you're going to be logging into, especially if you're going to log in from another country, say you're traveling. So always make sure to contact support, let them know of your intentions and why you're using, say, different laptop or different computer or different IP address. And bear in mind also only one account per address and IP address. Be careful of that, because you don't want to sign up your dog, your cat, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your wife from the same IP address, and that's going to have what it's called conflict of interest with IP addresses. So let's go back to what we were talking about. We're going to show you some reinvestment. I'm going to reinvest all that amount to the maximum amount that this particular contract allows me, which is, let me show it to you, make a deposit, depending on your balance, of course. I'm going to put it in this standard contract. I click on it, come down the bottom. Now I'm going to reinvest what's internal, deposit from internal. So make sure if you have this button to click on it, And there's my amount that I'm going to invest. And remember, this particular contract only allows me to reinvest $499 at a time. Once you put that amount in, you click deposit from internal. Make sure also to click this button and spend. Now it's going to come in here, and I know I've got 2,000 something in there, so I'm going to press two times. 1, 2. That means I'm going to reinvest twice instead of coming back in here every click. Now I'm going to check on that. Okay, now I can invest 3 more times to clear this balance and reinvest all my profit from yesterday that I reinvested. Sorry, got to go back. Always check. Deposit, very important to do. Click on deposit from internal, change this number to 499. Also, make sure to click with the amount of money that you have in your account, because you might be under LTC or DOSH or whatever. Click on it, spend. I'm going to click 3 times, 1, 2, 3. That's 3 times that amount. That's going to reinvest for me instantly. And that's what I got left over. Now I'm going to leave that for later on, and I'm going to explain to you so I can get another $499 investment. Now I've just reinvested. Let me show you the results of it. It's basically down the bottom of all your investment. As you can see and appreciate, I've been investing everything daily. Where's this one? 25th of March, and that's going to be expiring tomorrow. Oh, sorry, 3 hours time. Okay, now all the way down the bottom to see the investment that I have just made just a moment ago. On the 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times 499, and I've got a few more to come. I think that's about 8 to 9 in total by tonight. I will get about $499 reinvested. I think 8 or 9 times. So instead of me stopping this process for now, we're just going to keep it on the eye on it until about 12 a.m. in the morning here in New Zealand. The date is, of course, today is the 4th of April. Now, you have seen the results of reinvesting, and that's what I encourage investors. Don't come in or join these processes and try and make withdrawals. Use this reinvestment processes as I have shown you to build up your account. Whatever amount that you invest, go through the process each day and reinvest whatever you have in this balance. And they pay out every 24 hours. So whatever time now that I have clicked on that reinvestment, it's the same time tomorrow they will kick in to pay me. This is in New Zealand, of course, about 1:30 tomorrow. They will pay me this amount that I have just reinvested. But of course, it's going to pay me a lot more because I got a lot more that has been reinvested. And this has been accumulated through daily using of what it's called reinvest. Everything that you have been paid out every 24 hours. So you can do this in one time, or you can do it as it's coming in. But because I've been reinvesting at different times, the repayment comes at different times. Sometimes I'm impatient, so as soon as it comes in, I pump it straight back in. That's reinvestment. So you're using up the time frame to capitalize or maximize as much profit as you can in each day, because remember, it pays you out every 24 hours. But before I'm closing, what is also most important, if you do join, and I do highly encourage to join, there should be a link below the video here to join LTC Auto Mining. Come and change your security process, okay? Make sure you disable the first one, the IP address, because when this is activated, they sense where you are supposed to be logging into your account. If you disable it, it doesn't allow them to track that. And also disable the detected browser change. What is most important is that you set up what is called a 2-factor authenticator. Very important. And you need your phone to do this. Once you have this, then you're going to have your login detail, your password, and the 4 or 5 digit that you're going to have to punch in to log into your account, including the 2-factor, if you allow the system, whatever you tick here. I haven't allowed it to to use the authenticator to come into my login, but I have allowed the two-factor to use the two-factor authenticator if I'm changing my account or edit my account or do any withdrawal. So that's another very, very, very important setup you got to do with your account. But it's there. Come and join us, and we look forward to making a lot of money in the future. So have a basic idea how much money you want to make in the future, and that's your mindset. You're using these systems to try reach whatever amount you want in the future, say for example $1 million. Then you go through the process just in reinvesting as much as you can to build up that amount to reach your financial goal, whatever that is in the future. But if your account comes into what is called pending, don't worry about it. Just reinvest every money they give you in your balance. That's an opportunity, like, for example, your account's on hold, so you don't waste your time withdrawing profits, but reinvest it and get what is called a compound growth, as you have seen with my account, with so many of these reinvestment been put in. I've also got some other investment down the bottom here. I've also bought some Faraday. As you can see, 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Now, these are not money that I have injected into the system. These are all profits that I have been accumulating from the system just by reinvesting everything every day. So having a look at some of these are my data that I prepare myself, of course, just to keep an eye on it. These are the different miners that I have at the point of time. It gives you some sort of indication. I'm clearing around about, I reached a $4,000 day with LTC, but because of the exchange rate, it has dropped down a little bit, and plus the price of crypto. And we have a look at the price of crypto, see where we are. The price of crypto also is very, very important to note. Hold on. LTC's price is $83 US for one coin, and as you can see, 1 year, the price has come down. And that's also basically what Bitcoin is doing. Now, you've got to bear in mind, Bitcoin is the ultimate game player in these systems. And as I was saying, Bitcoin 1 year ago, you can appreciate then that that's where Bitcoin is today, and it has fallen since December last year. It has fallen down since from there. I don't know exactly where it's going to go. Everybody's hoping that we'll rebound at this stage, but according to the chart, if we have a look at the maximum, it has come down a fair way. It probably will come down to this range here, about 66,000 before it rebounds. Okay, that's just speculation. Don't quote me on that one. Just using data, which is relative to 2022 here, nearly the same sort of level here, and it's likely it could rebound today, but of course, if it does rebound, then everything will change just dramatically. But anyway, let's go back to where we were. Reinvestment is the key. Okay, my friend, come join us and build up your account and reinvest everything that you have showing every 24 hours in these sections. And I've just shown you in this video how to reinvest everything that you have there. And if you want to start, and if you don't have any account balance, all you got to do is go to your bank, set up a cryptocurrency account with Binance. There should be a link below this video. Transfer some of your money, or simply aim your camera at the barcode and scan it, and it should bring you to Binance. From your bank to Binance to be able to purchase then some of these contracts. From Binance, you can buy any of these contracts. And if you want to know how, I've already made some videos of how to transfer some money from your bank to Binance, then transfer these money or buy these processes using Binance as your cryptocurrency exchange. Now, you don't have to use Binance. There are other exchanges up there that you can also use. I'm not too sure if you can directly use your wallet also to buy these processes, but you can also try. But that's my processes. Anyway, I hope you do come and join us and make a lot of money in 2025 and set your goal. Your goal is very, very, very important. How much you want in the future, that's your goal. Why you're going through these processes. And another word of warning, if your account comes under pending, don't worry about it. Just don't do any more withdrawal, but reinvest everything that you are accumulating every single day and build up your account balance. Then pray for the best outcome for the future. So we're looking forward for the future. But anyway, Steve and I fought from Marford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.